equality is when people are treated the same.
Gender equality means when boys and girls and other boys and girls are treated the same. We should all be treated the same because some people are not all allowed to go to school, so we can help others.
Gender equality means when both male and female, boys and girls are treated equally. Gender equality means that both boys and girls can have the same opportunities as us. A sustainable tomorrow means a tomorrow that is going to be better.
Gender equality is when men and women are not stereotyped, so they can do anything that a girl can do, anything a man can do in society.